In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make a simple wooden platform for a shed. My name is Rick Burrows, you're watching Fix It Rick, so let's build it. So the platform that we're going to be building is going to be 8 feet long by 8 feet wide. So we want this outside edge to be 8 feet, which means we have to cut this right there. So we have the board that we just measured and we put all the inside boards together. We're going to take a pen or a marker, we're going to mark the edges and then cut all that excess off. So you can see on the board how we marked the same measurement on each side so that it's a nice even cut. So now what we're going to do is take 4 of these pieces and make a square. Now let's put it all together with some screws and a hammer drill. So if you're using a drill for the first time, you want to go clockwise. This is how the corner should look like. It's flat underneath, on the side, on the top. Now that your 2x4 is even on all sides, let's go ahead and do that to all the corners. So these last 2 boards on the inside are going to go right around here, but we're going to measure it. I'm going to mark it at 2.5 feet, and then that'll be just fine. We're going to start off by putting 1 screw in here, go to the opposite side, and put the 1 other screw in there right over there. And now I'll put them in on the opposite side. Now that we have the boards in place, what we're going to do is even things out, put a nail in each corner. If your boards are warping, that's natural. It doesn't have to be perfect, it just has to be sturdy. Something that I forgot to do was to put boards right here. This part will like bend in. So to keep it simple, we're gonna go 2 feet 6 inches like we were in between the 2. Here, right here. Take your board, put it up against it, and then mark both sides of that board. And then we're gonna drill. Battery ran out. This blade is very sharp. Thanks for tuning into this episode of Fix It Rick. Hit the like button, subscribe, and leave a comment below. And always remember that Jesus Christ loves you, and only He can solve your biggest problem.